So you're going to North Point Gym?
On behalf of the Oasis, there you go.
Thanks, guys.
Oh, he's vlogging.
Congratulations.
Thanks for coming to my show.
It was great.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
It was good.
Sure.
It
Yeah?
was enjoyable.
You think
Yeah.
so?
You
It
crying?
got really dark.
I was crying because the senior is like
Oh
my
yeah,
best friend.
she will graduate soon.
Yeah.
Kaylee.
Sad. Haley, yeah.
Haley, yeah.
Yeah. But it was a good night, I think, right?
It was good.
It was good.
I couldn't look at
it
you
got
guys because
dark.
I can't like look at familiar faces.
It was really dark at one point.
Like sad.
No,
Yeah.
it got darker. And
Spooky.
yeah,
With
spooky.
the-
Oh, the
Yeah.
carousel one?
Yeah.
That one was fun.
And then there was the one with the big rope. For the,
Yes. So actually yesterday one of the dancers like beeline to the rope on accident.
That's
But it's
how-
okay.
Alright, I'm gonna head out.
Also,
That's what. That's what
yes, Roberts. They were hecklers.
Yeah.
They're
You wanted
too.
someone to
Thank you
get
for coming again, guys. I appreciate
No
it.
problem.
Communal high fives.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
okay,
high five.
ready? 4.
There you go.
There we go. Awesome.
I hope you guys have a great rest.
Yeah, have a good night.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
See you on our next week.
Next week.
December.
December.
Okay.
I don't know what day. Sometime in December.
Yeah.